Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to access application data on Windows 7. Click on the Start button. Type Windows Explorer and press Enter. Press Alt and T to open the Tools menu. Now click Folder Options. Click View, then select the shown Hidden Files, Folders and Drives option. Click Apply and OK. Now click Start button and then click on your username. Open the Appdata folder from the Windows Explorer window that appears. This is how we can access application data on Windows 7.